Quack. I'm having a dream. Look at your beautiful shell and your 4 feet.
They're too big. I can't even lift them. Quack.
Pete! Hey, there's Chirp. Let's go say hi.
Let's not and say we did. Oh, all right, I'm coming. Am I even moving? Walking, but not getting anywhere. What is the point of this? Pete, come back here! Pete!
Hey, watch where you're going, mister.
What?
You almost smooshed me, you big turtle.
I'm not a turtle, I'm a duck. And these feet are all Peep's fault. Go tell him that I can't move and I'm smooshing ants.
You're a duck? Then how come you look like a turtle?
It's complicated. Look, please go tell Pete. He's the chicken who looks like a butterfly. You can't miss him. Anyway, tell him to come back here and wake up so I can go back to being a duck. KK?
Are you okay?
Of course I'm okay. I just need you to go get Peep and tell him to fly home immediately.
Ah! Look out! Thanks, mister. You saved my life. I owe you.
Yeah, great, whatever. Go find Peep and tell him that this duck is tired of being a turtle.
Got it. Turtle? No. Duck? Yes. I am on it. These wings are so big and flappy. Watch this, Chirp. That's great. Now watch what I can do. I'm a duck, and ducks are best, better than all the rest of you guys. And hey, guess what? I love my hat. So what else is fun about being a duck? Waddling is fun.